Welcome to Rodmed Global Africa News. Here are today's standout stories from across Africa and beyond for 30 October 2025. South Africa records 15.37 billion rand, approximately $887 million budget deficit for September, official treasury data shows. Finance watchers say while manageable, the figure underscores persistent fiscal pressures in Africa's most advanced economy. The South African rand remains largely unmoved in early trading at around 17.21% per US dollar as investors absorb signals from a US-China trade deal and the latest Fed rate outlook. In Botswana, the central bank raised its policy rate sharply by 160 basis points to 3.5%, responding to inflation rising to 3.7% in September. The move comes amid concerns over diamond sector headwinds and mounting sovereign debt. In Tanzania's Dar es Salaam, security forces used tear gas and fired warning shots as protesters took to the streets following yesterday's general election, which excluded key opposition candidates. Authorities imposed an overnight curfew and restricted internet access. Retail pharmacy chain Dischem Pharmacies in South Africa posted a 9% rise in half-year headline earnings, driven by an 11.1% growth in wholesale revenue. The company cited new store openings and stronger supply chain positioning amid a constrained consumer environment. The government of Mali cancelled over 90 mining exploration permits, including for gold, iron ore, bauxite, uranium, and rare earth projects. The move is part of a broader push to enforce new mining laws and reallocate inactive non-compliant tenements. Italy's foreign ministry has urged Italian nationals in Mali to depart immediately, citing a rapidly deteriorating security situation and attacks on fuel tankers supplying the West African country. The advisory follows similar warnings from the US earlier this week. African markets are in focus today as global risk settlement settles. Analysts highlight that currency moves, commodity flows, and political developments on the continent are increasingly influencing emerging market profiles. Nigeria has passed landmark wildlife protection legislation imposing fines up to 12 million naira, approximately $8,200 and prison terms of up to 10 years for trafficking of ivory, pangolin scales, and other endangered species. The law also gives customs expanded powers to seize suspect shipments. Business, investment, and trade flows across Africa remain in motion. From mining permit reforms in Mali to central bank shift in Botswana, the continent is showing contrasting signals of opportunity and risks as global dynamics evolve. That's your Rodmed Global African News for 30 October 2025. This bulletin was packaged and presented by Temitope Olushola and produced by Emmanuel Oginibo. Don't forget to like, share, and stay connected with us for more updates on our social media platforms, Rodmed Radio on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and particularly our YouTube channel at Rodmed Radio TV. Thank you for listening, stay informed, stay safe, and have a good day.